Anyways, welcome one and all. We're gonna do things a little bit different tonight, but before we start in a little different thing tonight, let's do the big up. By the way, that was funny, right? Just like a video for now. Yeah man, and just share the video for now. YouTube not help me, but you guys are. Just continue to do so. I want to take this opportunity to shout out the 30,000 subscribers who have subscribed. Take the time out of the day for watch my videos and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate, And a special shout out to Miss Richards. This lady, she watch the video them like 2-3 o'clock in the morning when she just come in from work. Respect Miss Richards. Big up Champion Boy Bonds. Yeah man, always tuning in. Big up you Taylor. Big up Rogs Beasley. And big up Neil P37. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the support. On always there in the comment section. Me and you down there, I comment and I laugh and I chat and I ray and tay. Now let's watch the video there again. And what I'm gonna do tonight, we're gonna read the comments and I laugh about what Jamaican people have to say. And some people make some very good points as well. Let's do it. Palm bed, palm floor, against wall. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jamaica Politics. It's funny but it's serious still. So, let's get into the comment section. What are Jamaicans saying about this clip? The first comment says, "We are not a serious people," with a laughing emoji. That got like 1,500 likes. "Imagine using this to win election and we not have good road. Water, JPS a dig out we eye and the economy." Crying emoji and laughing emoji. By the way, that got 4,600 likes. Next comment, "No apology," with the pow emoji and the hook stick in a green. Can't tell, so this is their labor. Next comment say, "Jamaican politics be funny as hell, I guess." Be a laughing emoji. This a person say, "At some time, majority of their friends are." Oh, she has said this a person that's a majority of a politician friend them a chichi man. Hey, you know what? Let me not get into it. Next person say, laughing emoji. Me nah lie. Me say PMP straight. But me like this. With laughing emoji and one cat. How the cat coming out? Anyways, to the next one. Political correctness does not exist in Jamaica. Hey, you have to mix it up. You have to try things or do things where go and pull the people them. You know, I saw the thing set, mama. This person said, and the person named Island Girl too, the only country with the funniest politics. Hey, Jamaica, we do everything different. This person said, then this cute, watch leadership. Next person said, look at what we elected as our leaders. With be a laughing emoji back at that. This next person say, very disgraceful from the government minister. Hey. View how you view it. This person say, green pretty bad, nah lie. And why this have a buzz? Okay, this first lady person, she enjoy it. Next person say, Jamaica cameraman need better camera. I swear. Just look at the footage. And it's not years ago. Listen, lady, this a video circulate. And see me a circulate. So the quality gonna decrease. That's what the thing said. Yeah, so it have nothing to do with the camera. How long are they at foreign? You probably just reach a foreign through the border. Anyways, I had a few more comments. Love me party your F and a beer heart emoji, but the heart them what? Green. Then this last comment now. So regressive. How did we get back here? People need uplifting messages. How to improve their finance, protect their family, build legacy. And the funny thing is the politicians have secured all this for themselves and family. And I'll leave this segment of the video right there. Anyways, we're going to jump in on some of our favorite comedians on YouTube. Favorite comedians that I always post. Badacat, Peanut Dread, and Johnny.
One time one man come tell me, say, if me member say me did tell him fi go suck mother. So me say then what about that? You come fi defend that? Him said no. So me say go and go suck your mother and your father again.
That was not nice, Badacat. That was not nice. But he deserved the SYM there. Cause, hey, me tell the SYM a way back, so we bring it up for now. Go on about your business and go SYM again, man. Badacat come like them back in the days, early 90s and late 80s. Bad man, the way what we do, what you call it? Chopper or bread knife in their waist. So me to operate. Rest in peace to that man. Anyways, one next Badacat video.
People fi have ambition too, you know.
Yeah.
So a man not fi really against a girl and I want him chewing broken or nothing, man. You understand? This girl I look further.
True.
So you know if he hate him and cuss him and tell him say true you're not rich. Him no want y'all them something. So you know want the girl to have no ambition. Him poor already and no have nothing, you know. What am I do with you? You can't help him. Only thing you can do is breed him and give him pick and get him poor, you know.
True, Badacat. Ladies, you know, if you have ambition, they're the man who things are going for him. We live in a modern time now, you can't go there now, man. We have to build him up. The man gonna left you when you build him up. Me I tell you the truth. Who we gonna jump to you now? We gonna jump to a video with Peanut Dread and Johnny. It's a bad combination. I think it's on the channel already, but we gonna watch it again.
And myself me give president to.
Meaning what, sir?
Nothing me not see help me.
Me don't agree with that. So,
Anyhow, me no wake up morning time and brush my teeth and wash up my clothes and go cook and this and that.
but who wake you up?
Nothing. So any God see me.
Which God you talking about?
And myself me believe in a.
Who designed the God you talking about?
Who is you?
But with them something there.
You can't help me.
I don't have a job.
Hurt dire. For hurt dire, I can't suffer.
You don't have to tell me that.
You have to survive by the hurt. Me have to survive by the blood clot hurt.
Me don't need you to declare that to me.
One way up blood clot, one go do what you do and make me do what me do, right?
Order.
What order?
Have a seat. Have a seat.
You show human being clot faced it.
Something wrong with you?
Me I want you know.
You don't think so?
No.
Something drastically wrong with you.
You see the road where will not bring me.
Me sorry for you and your friend then.
Don't come tell me nothing, man.
I realize, yeah, you're one of them. I mean, I want to fall in that category. Or that trap like what you fall in.
Peanut Dread and Johnny combination and conversation and a bad gone to bed. The man a real drama, John. Peanut Dread say, "Oh my God. Peanut Dread, you're blaspheming. You can't be saying that." Let's jump on the next one. Who this you know? I think Johnny, you know.
Lot of man at them wait to tell some story. You just a lie, some man a tell upon woman.
True.
And so, and a lie. And some woman will come out and say, you know what I'm saying? I frame them a lie, little dirty boy a tell upon me. And true, the man a tell upon him.
What we do? We don't do nothing, what we do?
No, like just like go back to like I was saying earlier about,
Woman wicked and with the man, what should do the man?
yeah. And in general overall.
True, you know, if me fi say some of the things them that I've been through in relationships, my comment section blew up. My video don't go viral. Hey, I'm gonna turn a millionaire by tomorrow. May I tell you, but I will never ever do that. Man, a weekend and woman a Delilah. That's all I have to say about that part there. You don't know say the truth. Anyways, the last piece of video now had to be.
If you mean bumbo clot. More only one know me start nothing. Me love war, you know. Tell that the God truth, you know. I just circumcised what me have to tie my belly for whole thing. You see if me know say no jail and no prisoner there. Jesus God. You try not start nothing with me now. Me only want to know a glad
I push the fire and cause a blood clot problem. You wouldn't believe it. You're sorry. I run up and down and look help your blood clot after you alone and you start the thing. Eh? And when you see hot a clap down here, you run and tell her and look help you back me up and your bum clot, you're just dead. Yeah, you know, you're going to come behind dead. Right? I'm going to push up the fire. Yeah? Yeah.
Pay that, Jed. You figured say we have video on the channel there where 4 man come here and we beat and we beat out your rotted. And what you do? You jump on your veranda, jump off your veranda and I run with the fork. And John or Johnny, the fast man, I run it down with the fork in a natty. Why you can never stop and defend yourself? You know that bad peanut, Jed. Anyway, if you want to reach us on the video, thank you. Thank you a lot. I really appreciate you guys watching the long form videos. As I say, YouTube non-promote the long forms. I just saw the thing said. But maybe you can just continue to like a video, continue to watch a video, continue to comment in the comment section and share the video as well. I appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, subscribe, click the notifications and stay safe. God bless.